On 17 September, I've seen an interesting post by Salesforce CEO Marc Benioff on X. So he says now you will be able to connect your Sales Cloud sales within ChatGPT and you will be able to close your deals faster than you say Mele Kiliki Makka. That means Merry Christmas. So first things first, I was like, why on earth would somebody would want their client data to be connected to public applications like ChatGPT? Let's see if there is any method to this madness. In this video, I'll share my thoughts about Agentforce Sales App within ChatGPT and attempt to answer some questions posted in the comment section. The goal of this video is to give you an understanding of what is this new ChatGPT's Salesforce application, whether it is useful to you in your use cases or is it something which you can let go. I'll be making more videos on Salesforce, AI and data. If this interests you, hit that subscribe button and follow Cloud Applied. In my experience, most of the companies restrict their employees to use public LLMs like ChatGPT on their client data. But Salesforce is saying that now you can connect your entire org so that you can have CRM context, data, intelligence, and action to every seller. For me, it looks like a solution looking for a problem. Let's see the most interesting part, that is comments under this video. So let's go through this comment. Melissa Haldi's, the Salesforce app does not appear to be in my paid subscription to ChatGPT. I know answer for this will fail, but let's give it a shot. The reason why I say this is this Agentforce Sales application works only for ChatGPT Enterprise, and the Salesforce org should have Agentforce 1 or Agentforce for Sales licenses. I have so many questions that is obvious. Wouldn't it make more sense to have GPT inside Salesforce instead of other way around? Currently, there is an ability to have ChatGPT within Salesforce org. That is not purview of this video. With respect to Agentforce Sales app within ChatGPT, they are trying to give some external context to your leads and accounts data. For example, Meta is your lead. So if you want to know the current stock value of Meta or any other information or insider information that is available in internet, you want to capture that information before you make any further moves on the lead that you have got. So this will be helpful. What does Salesforce do?
What do you do for your customers?
They don't care. They don't care what I'm using.
That's funny. What license you need for this? From Salesforce side, you might want to have Agentforce Sales license or Agentforce 1 license. And on the ChatGPT side, you might want to have ChatGPT Enterprise or Business. Because this application, it is not allowing the users to paste their client data in public ChatGPT in their personal ChatGPT spaces. So it is directed to the enterprise, the company itself. So you need to have Agentforce Sales or Agentforce 1 license on the Salesforce side. On the ChatGPT side, it should be an enterprise ChatGPT. Looks like the comments under this video are mostly positive. Okay, before we get deeper into the comment section, first let's understand what Salesforce is saying about this Agentforce Sales app within ChatGPT. I'll paste the link to this post where you can watch the video posted by Marc Benioff or Salesforce. But I'll do a quick run through on the official documentation so that I can share my insights about the documentation and the product that we are looking at. So after this, if you watch the video, it'll give you some more context and make you understand the video better. So I'll paste this in the description below so that you can read through this. But if we skim what they're trying to say, end of copy paste workflow, well, they openly admitted that the sales users generally copy paste into their personal ChatGPT applications. And you paste a LinkedIn bio, you paste. So this means you need to have good data, like we discussed, which is the key problem of Salesforce. So one thing I observed here with Salesforce is Salesforce is an application primarily used by people who don't want to get into this data bureaucracy. They just want to move the status and just keep track of things. They're very aversive in updating the data. So that is where that is one of the problems I see with Salesforce. Superhuman prioritization. Delegate busy work. So this says that you need to have lead engagement agent set up in your Salesforce org. Update record instantly. So this shows that you need to. There is a right application that needs for the integration user. Enterprise trust. This is what Salesforce says. So what Salesforce says here is it has enterprise level trust, so that whatever data you're flowing into ChatGPT and coming back, so it says that your data has got it. It's not being used for public training. But again, Salesforce says it is up to you. It is up to your risk. Whenever you read through the fine print, and whenever you read through the fine print of ChatGPT as well, it says the same. So somebody posted, isn't this dangerous to data privacy of customers? Even if the Agentforce has boundaries, but the output is shared with ChatGPT directly. So it says data shared with this app. By adding this app, you will allow it access basic information typically shared when you visit a website, such as IP address, approximate location, data from your ChatGPT account, including the conversations and memories. So the context is not only about the data that is grounded within the Salesforce. So the context is also coming from your previous conversations and memories, and with Salesforce data that is being grounded within the chat. Relevant content to respond to your request. Data will be used described in the app's terms and conditions of service. When you click on this, so here is where all the terms and conditions that are required. If you're interested to know further, I'll paste this link into the description section where you can look further. And privacy policy is something which you want to see. If you're dealing with healthcare data or European data where GDPR rules apply, so it is really important that we understand before we make any of these connections. I'll paste the links in the description section so that you can go further and look it for yourself. I hope you got some good understanding of Agentforce Sales App within ChatGPT and got some value out of this video. If yes, hit that like button and subscribe to Cloud Applied.